solution. We have x plus 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. But let us know that we can have 16 in base 2 as we have here to be x plus 2 to the power of 4. Here will be 2 to the power of 4. So when we have something of this nature, let us recall from the law of indices, when we have a to the power of m equals b to the power of m, we can equate the base so far the power are the same, and we can declare that a equals b in some cases. So make the comparison of this. We can have x plus 2 equals 2. And so we can have here from x equals 2 minus 2, this will be equals 0. So the first, we can say we have x equals 0. So from here, we can also recall that we have this power of this expression to be equals 4. So we are expected to get 4 possible solutions. So now from here, we have x plus 2 to the power of 4 equals 2 to the power of 4. So from here, we can have x plus 2 to the power of 2 again to the power of 2 equals, from here, 4 to the power of 2. So when we have this, we can do something reasonable by having it as x plus 2 to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 equals 0. So a square minus b square will now be equals a minus b times a plus b. So we have from here x plus 2 to the power of 2 minus 4. Then x plus 2 to the power of 2 plus 4 equals 0. So let's say we have case 1, x plus 2 to the power of 2 minus 4 equals 0, for this expression to be equals 0. Case 2, x plus 2 to the power of 2 plus 4 equals 0, for this expression to be equals 0. Then from here, we have this side, x plus 2 to the power of 2 minus 4 equals 0. We can have x plus 2 to the power of 2 equals 4. And so square the both sides, we have x plus 2 equals positive or negative square root of 4. 4 is a perfect square. We have x plus 2 equals positive or negative 2. So we have x to be equals positive or negative 2, then minus 2. So from here, we can have x 2 plus 2 minus 2. We have x2 to be equals plus 2 minus 2 will be 0. Then from here, x3 will be minus 2 minus 2. Then x3 will now be minus 4. So we have from here x plus 2 to the power of 2 can be written as, or to be equals minus 4. So from here, square both sides, we have x plus 2 positive or negative root of minus 4. We have x plus 2, positive or negative 2i. So we have x positive or negative 2i minus 2. So from here, we can see we have x1 equals 0, x2 equals minus 4, x3 from here equals 2i minus 2, x4 equals minus 2i minus 2. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos.